using today. So we've got ta-da, the Smart Morph 2. I go back to it every now and again. Only this one, I just like the colour. You've got the nice, the black fake leather with this gunmetal. It looks really good. Nice stitching. All this is great until you get to this unneeded, whatever you call it. Anyway, I really like the device, Dual 18650. Got a nice pop door, so keeps it shut. Well, of course it keeps it shut, but it keeps it locked nice and tight away. And then the Blotto on top, Blotto Max, really goes well with this device. Looks cool. Excuse the house. Yeah. So that's what I'm using today. And inside I've got Frosted Flake cereal with sweet milk. Beautiful. Later on.